Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand one more method of dictionary, that is get method. Let's understand what get method does. It's a simple use of get method is used to retrieve the value corresponding to a specified key. As we know, in dictionary, every value is assigned to a key separated by a colon. So if I try to fetch the value using the key, I need to use the get method. Now, this method accepts keys and values. The value is optional. If you do not specify the value, still it will give you the value. So if the key is not found in the dictionary, but the value is specified, then this method retrieves the specified value. On the other hand, if the key is not available, then it will give you none as the value. Yeah. Let's try to understand this method. Before that, let's understand the syntax first. So get method has a syntax of get dot get, and then you have to specify the key. Yeah, comma value. Now value is optional. Yes. Now the key is something which you want to search within a particular dictionary. And I said value is optional. Hence I have added the greater than symbol and the less than symbol besides. Now the return method. Now this method returns a value for the given key. If the key is not given and the value is specified, then it returns a value, as I said. And if the key is specified, which is not available within the dictionary, then it will give you a none as the value. Let's try to understand a basic example of get method. Yes, suppose I have this same example that we had earlier, fruits, which has a list of various fruits. That's a mango, banana, and I have flowers. I want to get all the fruits from this particular dictionary. So I need to specify the key. So the method here is d1, that's the dictionary, d1.get, and the name of the key, that is fruit. So let's see what is the output that we get here. That's the value within the specified key. Let's understand what happens if the key is not available. Yeah. Suppose I have this fruit, mango, and banana flowers, and I'm trying to get place. This particular key is not available in the dictionary. So the output it should give is none. Yeah. Since place as a key is not available in this dictionary. Simple, pretty simple, right? Now, as I said, values are optional. Suppose what happens if the key is not available, but we pass on a value. Yeah, so I say place and I'll specify the value, that is Mumbai. Yeah, let's see what is the output. Previously, when we place is not available. In both the cases, you see place is not available in the dictionary. However, since there is no value, it is giving me the output as none. But this time I have specified the value. So let's see, it should give me a value as Mumbai. Yeah. So if I specify the value, then it will give me the specific output. Pretty simple. This particular method is pretty simple. It is just to get the value of us at a specified key in the dictionary. Now you'll ask me how to get nested values or values from nested dictionaries. Yeah. Suppose I just remove this to make it a bit simple. Suppose I have D1. This is a this is a dictionary. Yeah, in which I have a set and I have a nested dictionary. And mango, I am specifying it at Mumbai. Yeah. So I have this dictionary as fruit, which has the value as mango and Mumbai, which is another dictionary. Mango is a key for Mumbai. In order to get this dictionary, which is nested, I need to specify the key as fruit. Yeah. Print B1. Yeah. You have to get this dictionary. I have to specify the key as fruit. Yeah. But in order to get the value of the place that is Mumbai, then I have to specify the key inside it as well. That is mango. I need to remove the comma. So what I'm doing is I'm accessing this dictionary first, that is fruit. Yeah. Let me first show you what happens when I try to get fruit. What is the output? So from that output, I'm trying to get, yes. So first I'm getting the original dictionary. Yes. Then I'm getting dictionary or the parent dictionary. Yeah. And then I'm getting the child or nested dictionary. Yes. So within fruits, the output that I get by this statement, I'm using that output to get this output for mango. So let's run this. See this? So here is my original dictionary where fruit is the key. Now I get the value of my original dictionary, that is mango and Mumbai. That is another dictionary, which is a nested dictionary. Within this dictionary, I am checking the key as mango, where for this dictionary, mango is the key. For my parent dictionary, fruit is the key. Inside this is another dictionary. So mango is the key for which the value is Mumbai. So this is how you get nested value using get statement. If there are nested dictionaries available. Hope you understood the concept and this method. Hope you like this video and the contents or the examples that I've shown. Do share across this videos to the colleagues who want to learn Python in detail. I would like to get some comments from your people so that we have this knowledge sharing between us, and this input will help my viewers to gain more insights. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.